Judge star. You see what going on in the music industry? Good and bad. But right now, mostly bad things the youth them are highlighting a star. Is it? I mean, I like that. You see me? Yo, pre. The brother named Naya. Man, you can't just make the man rest in peace. You see me? Judge star. Youth are doing side hustle and I do what go on. You see me? And after these little things, other incident take place. You see me? Judge star. Well, me hear a couple artists I try to address the situation or I try to highlight some of the, the conspiracies them. You see me? Yeah. Big up couple of them artists there. Yeah man, I see Gage. I see all Nicki Minaj dropping I think. G-Terror. Big up on yourself man. I just share information. But we want the good information. Share. You see me? Yeah man. They in music for a while. But I have to switch up the style. You see me? Yes man. As a Jamaican hip-hop artist, switch over to dancehall, switch over to reggae, switch over to singing. Well, we'll start from singing still, but yo, we'll have to just change up a couple of the style them. You see me? We change up a couple of the style them or the profession and just say, yo, alright, ease off of the artist thing and go do video thing. Me see all the man them a take away bomba, video man or picture man. Judge star. We can't even remember what the youth they name right now, but I just try to get the information across. When you know the music, you see me? Try to do good music and stop the corrupted music where when you not sing about nothing but gun and exalting yourself and I talk about bitches and all these things, you see me? Yeah, me used to do it too. But at the same time, watch growth. Look for inspiration from artists like Beanie Man, Sean Paul, Baby Sham. Now I say them not sing 1 and 2 gunman song to you see me? Or no vibe song them. Them not say, but here what go on. That's why them artists they go international. You see me? When I say yo, the Alkaline and the Massacre them not good and ray. But here what go on. You have to have big catalogs, you see me? Talking about big topic, good topic, you see me? We can catch people them and hold people them for years to come. You see me? But Judge star wake up this man and talk about me I pre say yo. I pre me look at YouTube what go on. First thing me see on my page again, Naya. Judge star. Let's make the man rest in a peace, man, you see me? See there, all them cousin gone right now. Yeah man, watch out for the music industry, you see me? Whole heap of corruption in it. Yeah man. My little brother love it too man. And I just say yo, ease, find a different skill, get a different job. Come in a music, you see me? And if you go do music, you just do music for fun. You see me? Leisure. You see me? Write some good song and preach some good things. You see me? Yes man, I inspire some good people. Yo, bless up young people. Don't know, I hate some 6 music.